Hello traders, on this beautiful March 25th, I would like to remind you the events on S&P in the last two historical weeks. On the news market in free fall, on the chart market rallying non-stop. From alpha Fibonacci reversal zone between 80 to 180 points. Flawless Monday, ultimate bottom on S&P. The last 2 weeks had shown to us clear discrepancy between news versus price. News designed by market makers. When on the chart, in fact, S&P kept rallying non-stop from alpha Fibonacci support. So when I identify that critical support will be respected, weeks in advance, intelligent trader never ever shorts near, and what the price will do next at this resistance is crucial. If price is breaking through this resistance, you will see spectacular institutional rally. This is a zone. This is institutional support. Intelligent trader never ever shorts near. So the trade moved instantly from alpha Fibonacci support identified by software. This is a crucial target in front of you. Everyone seeing this? This is when intelligent trader taking the profits of the table, moving the stop outside of break-even. This is ultimate precision and ultimate power again and again and again. So what are you seeing in front of you instantly? How crucial alpha Fibonacci software levels are, correct? Identifies precise support, identifies precise resistance. If you will ever ignore these levels, if you will ever buy into, you're violating the most important rule of alpha Fibonacci system. This is your critical exit point. This is your critical buy support point. Everyone clear on this? There is no surprise, all precise. So in this market's precision is crucial, traders. Everyone clear on this? To the tick. Alpha Fibonacci targets are respected. So if you understand the power and precision of alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, in the last few weeks on S&P and Dow, oil in exact same place. That's the reason for bullish rallies on oil. Buy from reversal zone. It doesn't matter if you trade 5, 10, 15, 20. Identical formula applies. Respect and adore. Decision point 2 is your critical target. Never enter into. And when opportunity is present to buy at alpha Fibonacci support, do exact same thing. Correct? Look to buy from. And that's what been playing out on S&P and Dow the last 2 weeks, as price had been at critical bullish trend inception. Critical. So we're seeing with absolute certainty that this trial, this crisis is a test, and what will not kill us will make us stronger. That's it. Adjust to the new world, adjust to new life. Become proactive human being who takes great care of your health, who takes great care of your trading. Not relying on anyone else, not relying on any indicators, not relying on bad food, on negative environment. You are in charge of your life. You are in charge of your trading. No one else is. No one else can help if you don't take care of your health, if you don't take care of your soul, if you don't take care of your trading. And if you do, crisis is opportunity to reveal the best in you, to reveal the best in humanity. As crisis means exact same word in Chinese. So if you know where critical support is, you never ever shorting into. And that's stress-free trading with alpha Fibonacci precision. And that's the power of alpha Fibonacci system and alpha Fibonacci proactive traders. Marco, 10 points ES. Another 12 points ES. Marco, 3 weeks in the course. David, gold, 29 ticks. David, 5 weeks. Jennifer practicing on sim, 10 points S&P. Jay, second week, 10 points S&P. Traders supporting each other, Marcos says. Follow the flow and price action from the level. It's black and white. There is no speculation here. All precise with pure price and Fibonacci only. Nothing else needed ever. Here's David, another 89 points on Dow of support. Incredible work. Flawless. So when price collapses completely from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, no one should be surprised. That's what plays out across all instruments and all time frames. Not the place to enter, the place to exit your trade. As David, as Jay, as Marco knows extremely well. So this is bullish rally on S&P traders 2019. Bullish rally reaches the end of the minor trend as you saw 3-minute chart on Dow have done. Correct? And when S&P heading higher, no one should be surprised. Next level critical, 3000. 3000 causes a major problem as expected. After another powerful pullback, S&P continues higher and finally reaches alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, not the place to enter into, the place to short from. So S&P starts selling off, no one should be surprised. All precise as Dow has done on few-minute chart. Alpha Fibonacci system identifies all levels to the downside in advance. And when S&P continue higher, no surprise. Where market skyrockets from. And when price reaches alpha Fibonacci support, that's where S&P been rallying from in the last few days. And that's the power of the system. All precise, all in advance. Doesn't matter if you invest long term, doesn't matter if you trade options, doesn't matter if you utilize any instrument, any chart you choose. This is day trading chart where S&P been skyrocketing from since March 13th, 80 to 180 points plus. On the news market in free fall, on the chart prices rolling. And now, this is what's in a play. All identified in advance. Never ever ever after the fact. So trader who understands alpha Fibonacci levels understands the power and precision of these levels. Buys from support, sells from resistance. It's black and white traders. No matter what you trade. And if you're witnessing the power of reversal zone, that's exact same thing that played out in 2008. Identical reversals. The difference with now, it's much sharper sell-off than anything we've ever seen in 2008. And that's the power of the method. And that's the power of the system. No matter if you day trade, no matter if you utilize system long term. So if you enjoyed the power of the system this morning, if you enjoyed stress-free trading, if you are witnessing what alpha Fibonacci traders do during these critical times, so can you. Please review the information on the website and take advantage of the biggest historical discount never offered before. Only few spaces left for lifetime license with software with 3 months live classes. Method traded all over the world since 2011. And if you would like not to use software as traders have done for the previous 9 years, that's option available as well. If you're interested in private mentoring, please speak with me first. If you would like to see more reviews, more podcasts and updates coming from traders who are trading system now in these historical times. So please review all the information on the website and do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Because if these traders can do it this morning, if this precise trade continues struggling at alpha Fibonacci reversal zone where Dow pulled back from instantly 40 points, so can you. That's the power of the method. That's the power of the system. Trade it globally. All you have to do, make an effort. And if you do, you can trade even during most extreme market conditions. All you have to do, obey and respect alpha Fibonacci support and never ever ever enter into reversal zone where price collapses from 80+% of the time. It's black and white. It's simple. Do not overcomplicate trading.